All this time we have been using the article document class. Now let's change this to say report and see how our generated output PDF changes. Feel free to change to other document classes and play around here. Line 3, I want to keep this command as is, but I don't want it to be active. So what will I do? Change it into a comment. To do that, we will use the percentage symbol. Now just come down and I'll paste the same command and replace article with report. Recompile. This is how our output PDF looks like. First things first, there is a separate title page or a cover page. Our document title, author details and date are all in one page. Scrolling down, we can see abstract also has a page of its own. This is a free floating text which is not associated to any section or subsection or anything as such. So it has a page of its own. We have contents. Now, this is where it gets interesting. One thing that strikes us clearly is the section numbering. In article, our sections were numbered 1, 2, 3. Whereas here, a section has been numbered as 0.1. If I had another section, it would be 0.2, 0.3, so on. Reason being, in article, section is the topmost unit in the hierarchy. So you have section followed by subsection followed by subsection, right? This was the hierarchy. So this would be 1 and a subsection will be 1.1 and a subsection will be 1.1.1, right? However, in report, we have something above this section, which is a chapter. So the idea is a chapter contains section, a section contains subsection, and subsection contains subsection. In a report, the numbering would be 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and note that subsection gets no numbering. If you see here, our subsection command has no numbering attached to it, and it is also not found in our table of contents. And our unnumbered section is, we have already discussed, it does not come in our table of contents. We have a command here, I have commented it out. You can uncomment it and play around with that as well. To fix this, what I will do is, because I do not want like 0.1, 0.11, the beginning should not be like that. What I will do is, I'll go ahead and add a chapter. To do that, let us go to a .tex file. Let me just remove this command because it is done, right? Finished adding it. Now before my first section, I'm just going to start a chapter. The command is chapter, open parenthesis. To this, we will give a chapter name. Just say my first chapter. Compile. Now you see, we have my first chapter. Inside that we have section, and inside a section we have subsection. Every time we start a chapter, a new page starts off. Note that the chapter command added these two entries. My first chapter is the title of my chapter. So chapter 1 is the chapter number. All I specified is the chapter title, and chapter 1, which is the numbering of the chapter, is automatically added by the command. It is possible to have an asterisk version of the chapter command. To do that, we'll have chapter followed by asterisk and then the title of my chapter, which is unnumbered chapter. Compile. So there you have it. We do not have a chapter number here. So if I remove the asterisk and then compile, I get chapter number, right? Chapter 2. But if I revert to the asterisk here, the chapter number disappears. Again, it is not added to your table of contents. You need to manually add it. I would now like to revert to the article document class. To do this, I will go ahead and comment the report class and uncomment the article class. Let me recompile. I get an error on the chapter command. To know more, we can go to our logs and output files, and it says undefined control sequence. Remember, when we discussed about document classes, the commands that are available to us depends upon the document class that we choose. The chapter command is not available when your document class is article. I'm going to go ahead and comment this out. Recompile. The same goes to the chapter asterisk one. I've commented that out as well. Alright, there you have it. We now have a document reverted to what it was before, right?